When Trump takes the reign of America again and BRICS continues to rise, the worst ways to compensate superpower. Who will come on top? And more importantly, how can you assess opportunities amid this global tension? Let's dive in and uncover the strategies you need to know.
We will make America strong again. We will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again. God bless you and good night. I love you.
Donald Trump's return to presidency is more than just a political event. It signals a significant shift in the global economic landscape. Known for his powerful policies during his previous term, such as trade wars with China and protectionist measures, Trump is back with an ever greater mission to strengthen America and challenge the global economic status quo. His leadership impacts not only the US but also the international market in profound ways. For investors, this is a period of uncertainty, but also a time of immense opportunity. The escalating tension between major global players like the US and China will heavily influence investment flow and market dynamics. However, key sectors such as energy, technology, and defense are likely to thrive under Trump's renewed leadership. As Trump focuses on his America First agenda, BRICS, a coalition of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is solidifying its position as a global economic force. This bloc aims to reduce the dominance of the US dollar in international trade and promote the use of local currencies. Additionally, BRICS has established the new development bank to fund large infrastructure projects, particularly in developing nations. BRICS policy stand in stark contrast to the US effort to maintain dollar dominance. This growing divergence is reshaping global trade and investment flow, creating both risks and opportunities for investors. As BRICS investors must navigate geopolitical uncertainties while capitalizing on the economic potential this bloc offers. The combination of Trump protectionist policies and BRICS action creates a complex investment landscape. How can investors position themselves to thrive in this environment? During Trump's previous presidency, the energy sector, particularly fossil fuels, experienced significant growth. His pro-domestic energy policies encourage expansion in oil and gas exploration, offering lucrative opportunities for investors. However, BRICS nation focuses on renewable energy and green infrastructure, present different avenues for investment. BRICS is prioritizing clean energy projects to combat climate change, opening new opportunities in renewable energy technology. As the US turned inward, BRICS nations offer compelling investment opportunity, infrastructure, technology, and energy. Stock and bonds from BRICS countries, especially China and India, with their massive consumer market, could yield substantial return. However, investors should remain cognizant of geopolitical risks stemming from US-BRICS tension, which could destabilize market in this region. A major divergence between Trump policies and BRICS ambitions lies days across the US dollar. Trump relies on the dollar strength in the global trade, but BRICS is actively pursuing the dollarization by promoting local currencies or even introduction their own digital currencies. This could shift how investors view global currencies and assets. Gold and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin may become safe investment choice amid trade tension and BRICS the dollarization effort. Technology is another major sector influenced by Trump and BRICS dynamics. Trump has imposed restrictions on major Chinese tech firms, such as Huawei, while promoting U.S. domestic tech innovation. Meanwhile, BRICS nations, particularly China and India, are heavily investing in R&D for advanced technologies. As an investor, you can look into cutting-edge technologies like AI, 5G, and blockchain being spread by BRICS nations. When two superpowers like US and BRICS collide, that is crucial for investors to diversify their portfolio. One way to save assets is to invest across multiple sectors, energy, technology, and emerging markets alike. Additionally, safe haven assets like gold and cryptocurrency can serve as hedge against the uncertainties posed by geopolitical tension. The return of Trump and the rise of BRICS open numerous opportunities for investors who are prepared to take strategic steps. Global market undergoing significant change, and those ready to adapt can lock substantial gains. However, caution is necessary to navigate the risk, whether from a trade wars, de-dollarization, or market volatility driven by economic policies. With Trump assertive policies and BRICS growing influence, the world on the brink of major transformation. Are you ready to leverage investment opportunity amid this new era? While the investment landscape is fraught with the risk, the right strategies can help you thrive in this changing global order. Trump, BRICS, and future of investment. Are you ready prepared to navigate this seismic shift?